Hey guys, welcome back to my next art book preview video. This week we have the art of Óscar Martín, Solo Cannibal Universe. So hopefully you can see that is a holographic red on Solo. That's pretty cool. A quick look at the front and the back here. This one is a hardback and it's actually a pretty large format as well, so it's pretty difficult to fit in shot. Okay, so let's get straight into this one. Sorry for the lighting, the sun has just come out a little bit behind me and is starting to cause some shadows. So this book is published by a company that I call Ominiky Ediciones. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right or not. I do have quite a lot of their other books though, and I always say I think the print quality is awesome, and I think that the pricing of them is also really good. You can normally get them in a couple of different places, but I will put links directly to the Ominiky website as well in the description box below. I definitely highly recommend them all. This one in particular, I think is absolutely awesome. As long as you like stylized art, I think you're going to like this one. And a lot of you guys might even recognize the artist or the style from the Tom and Jerry days, let's say. Obviously this one has a much more adult theme to the content. In fact, I think there might even be a little bit of nudity throughout. But don't quote me on that, but there's your warning just in case. Obviously we can see it's going to be primarily based around would you call it animal design or anthropomorphic design, where it's kind of like a mix with humans and animals. I could be getting the terms wrong. Apologies if I am. Feel free to correct me in the comments below. But this book, as you can see, contains a lot of sketches and fully rendered pieces. Predominantly, a lot of them seem to be from his comic Solo, hence the name Solo on the cover of this one as well. So I would guess it's all from it, but I'm not actually sure. I've never read the comic. I believe it originally released in, I don't know if it's French or Spanish. The publishing company, I think, is Spanish, so I guess maybe it is Spanish. But there are English editions of them. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to get hold of any of them over in the UK, though. And whilst I would really like a copy of the comics, I'd much rather have this art book because it's absolutely awesome. And usually I'm sort of a little bit disappointed with interior artwork, but this one I think would be really good. If you own it though, let me know in the comments what you think to it and if the artwork is as good throughout as, this kind of stuff. Again, I am skipping a couple of pages at a time, sometimes just because it's a big book and, you need to buy the book to see it all. But sometimes because there is nudity, which I wasn't really expecting in an anthropomorphic book like this. I can't even say that word. So yeah, we've got black and white sketches, colour sketches, fully rendered, fully coloured pieces. This is really nice. And I will put links as well to not only where you can buy the book, but to the social media pages of Óscar Martín. It's worth following him. I follow him on Instagram and also Ominiky Ediciones on Instagram. And they quite often post in not only his art, but new books that are being released. Again, there's one at the moment that's a comic book. I couldn't tell you much about it because it's not in English, so I don't really understand the details of it. But it looks so good that sometimes I'm tempted to get it regardless of the language. But yeah, this is some really stylized art. It's actually a lot better than I was expecting when I bought it. There's a lot more pages to it as well. We've got all these big battle scenes. The man's got some skill. So I was actually really surprised just by how good this one is. I would recommend it. Another artist, if you like this sort of stylized, exaggerated look. It's maybe not the same style, but other artists like maybe Francisco Herrera. He's, again, one of my favourites. I do have loads of other book videos by him. So again, check the links in the description box below. They're definitely worth checking out. But yeah, this is a really cool book. I hope you guys liked this video and found it useful if you were thinking about buying the book. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and means I can keep making more content like this. Thanks for watching, guys.